Very good morning, students. This is Jay Vishakan. Today I will teach you a new topic from Unit 5 friction, which is ladder friction. What do you mean by ladder? A ladder is a device used for climbing on the walls or roofs, isn't it? Right. So I'm going to draw a line sketch where I'm going to lean the ladder on a wall. Assume this is a vertical wall and this is a floor. I'm going to keep the ladder in this fashion. Assume this angle theta. This is the angle of ladder with respect to the horizontal. The bottommost portion let us consider as A. This is B, and the topmost of the ladder as C. Right. I'll just explain so that I'll just give a illustration. Assume this book. This is the floor and this is the vertical wall. Now I have kept the ladder in this fashion. Right. When a man climbs on the ladder, someone is just climbing on the ladder, what happens is the ladder try to slips down. So look at this. So the topmost portion is coming down and the bottommost portion of the ladder moving towards this direction, right? This is what we are going to see here. So when somebody is climbing on the ladder, due to the weight of the person, the ladder tries to comes down. This is the motion. Similarly, the bottommost side, this is the motion. As you know, whenever two bodies are in contact, there will be a reaction, normal reaction. So this is the reaction. Consider NC, normal reaction at point C, and this you consider N A at A, normal at A. Then what about it? Friction. Friction is the frictional force will always act opposite of the direction of the motion or movement. Since here the motion is towards the vertically downward, that means y-axis minus negative y-axis, the friction will act opposite of this. This can be considered Fc. Similarly, here the motion is towards the positive x-axis. Therefore, the frictional force will act opposite of the motion, which can be denoted as Fa. This ladder must be having its own weight, right? How does it act? Usually, the weight of the object acts vertically downwards from the center of the object. Here the object is ladder, so center of the ladder it will act. W. So W is nothing but weight of the ladder. Right? And theta is nothing but the angle of ladder with respect to the horizontal. Right? And NC is nothing but the normal reaction at C. Na is nothing but normal reaction at point A. What about FC? Frictional force between wall and the ladder. Between wall and the ladder. Then what about FA? It's a frictional force between the floor or ground, right? Floor or ground and the ladder. Clear the concept? So in the next video, I'll come up with an example problem for make you to understand in detail. Thank you.